Does investing work? Think about a sapling. If you give it the right amount of water, manure, and care, would it not grow? Of course it will. Likewise, think about a good business with healthy sales, great margins, innovative products, and an ethical management. Is it not obvious that the share price of such companies would appreciate? In some situations, the price appreciation may delay, but it certainly will always appreciate. Recall the Eicher Motors chart from the previous video. This has happened over and over again across markets in the world, including India. Investable grade attributes. An investment in a good company defined by investable grade attributes will always yield results. An investable grade company has a few distinguishable characteristics. These characteristics can be classified under two heads, namely qualitative aspect and the quantitative aspect. The process of evaluating a fundamentally strong company includes a study of both these aspects. The qualitative aspect mainly involves understanding the non-numeric aspect of the business. This includes many factors such as management background. Who are they? Their background, experience, education. Do they have the merit to run the business? Any criminal cases against the promoters, etc. Business ethics. Is the main management involved in scams, bribery, unfair business practices? Corporate governance. Appointment of directors, organizational structure, transparency, etc. Minority shareholders. How does the management treat minority shareholders? Do they consider their interest while taking corporate actions? Share transactions. Is the management buying, selling shares of the company through clandestine promoter group? Related party transactions. Is the company tendering financial favors to known entities such as promoters' relatives, friends, vendors, etc., at a cost of the shareholders' funds? Salaries paid to promoters. Is the management paying themselves a hefty salary, usually percentage of profits? Operator activity in stocks. Does the stock price display unusual price behavior, especially at a time when the promoter is transacting in the shares? Shareholders. Who are the significant shareholders in the firm? Who are the people with above 1% of outstanding shares of the company? Political affiliation. Is the company or its promoters too close to a political party? Does the business require constant political support? Promoter lifestyle. Are the promoters too flamboyant and loud about their lifestyle? Do they like to display their wealth? A red flag is raised when any of the factors mentioned above do not fall in the right place. For example, if a company undertakes too many related party transactions, then it would send a signal of favoritism and malpractice by the company. This is not good in the long run. So, even if the company has great profit margins, malpractice is not acceptable. It would only be a matter of time before the market discovers matters pertaining to related party transactions and punishes the company by bringing the stock price lower. Hence, an investor would be better off not investing in companies with great margins if such a company scores low on corporate governance. Qualitative aspects are not easy to uncover because these are very subtle matters. However, a diligent investor can easily figure this out by paying attention to annual report, management interviews, news reports, etc. The quantitative aspects are matters related to financial numbers. Some of the quantitative aspects are straightforward while some of them are not. For example, cash held in inventory is straightforward. However, inventory number of days is not. This is a metric that needs to be calculated. The stock markets pay a lot of attention to quantitative aspects. Quantitative aspects include many things. To name a few, profitability and its growth, margins and its growth, earning and its growth, matters related to expenses, operating efficiency, pricing power, matters related to taxes, dividends payout, cash flow from various activities, debt both short term and long term, working capital management, asset growth, investments, financial ratios. Over the next few videos, we will understand how to read the basic financial statements as published in the annual report. As you may know, the financial statement is the source for all the number crunching as required in the analysis of quantitative aspects.